So this is the Sunfinity Sunflower that was bred by Syngenta. This is a branching sunflower. One of the unique things about this sunflower is that it produces flowers throughout the growing season. And each time you make a cut, you'll get more branching and eventually more flowers from those cuts. You can see right here, about a week and a half ago, we actually made a cut there. And from there we actually got 2 more branches. So we cut just above these 2 branch leaf nodes right here, and that has caused these to branch back out. And so you can see that, you can actually see beginnings of buds right here in the middle of those leaves. So that's basically what you want to do. Is we actually followed that stalk down. So we take a flower like this, which this one's probably a little spent. You can actually cut sunflowers when they look like this, when they're just beginning to open, and they'll continue to open up in the vase. So the more you cut, the more flowers you'll get, the more branching you'll get. And we just followed that down to a set of leaf nodes just like this, and make a cut right in here, and then strip the leaves. You can put it in a vase in your house and enjoy it, and just let that sunflower continue to produce. They'll get about 48 inches tall by 48 inches wide. That's kind of the average. They're also a little bit smaller for the cut flower, so it's going to be better for a vase if you're trying to use them for cut flowers. That's one of the things my wife really likes to do with them, is use sunflowers for cut flowers, and this is the ideal size for her. So great advantage with these Sunfinity sunflowers, and I highly recommend you try them. I'm liking them so far this season. My wife loves them, and we're excited to use them. We also have some other sunflowers, and as you can see, these are normal sunflowers. These are pro cuts, which are great, but once we cut the flower, that's done. 1 flower per plant is all you're going to get from a typical sunflower. And then we have another Sunfinity right here. You can see a couple places we made cuts about a week and a half ago. There's a cut there and a cut here, and again, more branching from that leaf node. If you don't want to cut, that's fine. I do recommend that you deadhead so that you'll get more flowers. Just remember that if you continue to cut the plant, you'll get more branching throughout the season. This is our vegetable garden, and so we have all of our edibles on the inside of our fence here, and then we have cut flowers on all sides of the garden, and these are support nettings that we have out here for all of our cut flowers to grow. Again, Sunfinity Sunflower is a very uniquely bred sunflower for the home garden or for the landscape. I'd highly recommend you give it a try, and you guys be sure to like and subscribe and leave any comments that you might have, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.